Hey everybody, it's Paige Martin with Paige Martin Books and Art with a new tutorial from our Black Women Portraits coloring book with affirmations on Amazon. We're going to create a DIY art piece that I call I Believe in Miracles, which you can find in the coloring book. You will need parchment paper to prevent bleeding on other sheets, just an extra measure of protection, specialty paper, a pencil, oil pastels, a piece of paper towel, tracing paper, and carbon paper. First, take your tracing paper and trace your woman portrait and the I Believe in Miracles statement. Make sure to trace around the ends of the page as well. At the last minute, y'all, I decided to switch to a different specialty paper design. I kind of like this one better. You are going to cut around the edges where the paper ends and flip the tracing paper over. Place your carbon paper carbon side down against the back of your specialty paper. You're going to focus on the outer portion of the trace design because we will use that part of the specialty paper. Once traced, we are going to cut out the woman and put her to the side. Take an X-Acto knife and cut away the portion that will expose the words on the artwork. Flip the specialty paper over and it should fit around the woman book like a glove. We will add eyes, eyebrows, and lashes. Next, we will add a dark brown skin tone with the oil pastel to her face, neck, and arms. We then take the paper towel to smooth the oil pastels in evenly. We'll finish the eyes and take a colored pencil to add a tint of red to the eyeglass lenses. We chose a bright yellow oil pastel color for her top. Next, we add a red pastel to her lips. To make the lettering in the earrings pop, we used Sharpie markers in various pink shades. Now we're finished. She can now be framed or kept in the coloring book for your enjoyment. Make sure to purchase the Black Women Portraits coloring book with affirmations from the Amazon link below. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more of our creative content. Bye.